guys, here. Welcome back to the video today. I commented on my last video that I won't be doing this video, but I will now. Today I'm going to be showing you how I edit my Gacha makeover thumbnails. So let's just get right into the video. A lot of you might be angry from my last video that I didn't put the links to the apps. I'm so sorry, I just didn't have the time for that, but now I might do it. So I'm going to be putting the link to InShot. And yeah, just app you only need is InShot. And of course your app, Gachaverse, because that's on now. So let's get again to this video. And again, there will be no voice and shoutouts in the description down below. And if you want to get a shout out, all I have to do is comment below, #JSquad, and you might get a shout out in my next video. Without further ado, like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell, and let's get started with this video. And thank you all for watching. Bye in advance.